If you know you're online for this, then this is your game. And remember, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that you can get notified whenever we post any game. And if you really, or this is your first day being to MBB Mirable Bets, please make sure you subscribe or hit that red button down below for more info on bet sleep and bet gaming or whatever you bet or any betting gaming site. Let's do this. We have an EP early payout, as you can see on top there, accumulator bonus. So we have our first game as Verona versus Empoli. Verona to win full time. We have our game Torino versus Udinese. Torino to win full time. We have Royal Volcano versus Mallorca. Royal Volcano to score anytime. We have Real Sociedad B versus Girona. Girona to score full time. We have Levskaya Sofia versus Botevi Varesta. Levskaya Sofia to win anytime. Then, guys, let's pause. The games are easy peasy, lazy, squeezy lemon. And as you all know that we have a live session each and every day. Like on Thursday, we planned on grand jackpot. We did it. And like I said, I'll be giving my grand mega jackpot on Thursday live. So if you miss this, it's up to you. You'll find the game, you'll find the whatever, how do you call the video, and you can go about it and you can read some more about it. So guys, make sure you join your friends to be with us live. As you all know, we're always live, and if you see MBB going live, make sure you join. So guys, I would like to use this an opportunity to talk to you about sharing MBB, since it's a very important, since other guys out there, they haven't seen our platform, and it's very important for you to share our link with them, because you already know that we give games but others don't know. So it's good for you to give our games. So wait, we haven't finished giving our games. Let's go back to where we left. We also have A and B, Sturgezesk versus A and B. A and B to score full time. We have Lemia versus Panathinaikos. Panathinaikos to win full time. We have IFK not copying versus Jagaden to win full time. We have Kalma FF or Rebor say SK Kalma FF to score full time. And Merjabli versus Ive Merjabli to score full time. So as you can see, from Levskaya Sofia to Marjabli Ive, you can put that as one ticket. And from Girona to Verona, you can score that. You can put that as one bet slip. If, for instance, you're using other platforms or gaming which is different from Bet365, or if you're using Bet365, I'll suggest you play with our games that we just chose, because they have an early payout and also they have a bonus of plus that 5% bonus. So if you're not using Bet365 and you're using maybe Betika, SportPesa, 22bet or any other platform, I don't know what you're using, or Parian Sport Point Diverte or any other gaming site, please make sure you go with DB, which is double chances, which is Marginally double chances, or an X, Kalma FF or an X, Jargon versus an X, Panathinaikos versus an X, A and B versus an X, Levskaya Sofia versus an X, Girona versus an X, Royal Volcano versus an X, Torino versus an X, Verona versus an X. You know what I mean by when I say versus an X is a double chance, and you will be safe to play all these 10 bad slips together combined and you might win. Or you can go like this. All these early payout games go with over 2.5 goals. That's why they called early payout. So to be safe, you can put over 1.5, over 1.5, over 1.5, over 1.5 each and every game, because the reason that's as to why is an early payout, they need 2 goals and above so that you can be able to win early payout. So it counts for 2 goals, which is over 1.5, both 10 combined, and you will tell me the story after. So make sure you go with over 1.5 or a DB for you. But we are not so sure about the double chances. Maybe it might be second one to win, and maybe we chose the wrong choice. So it's up to you to go with over 1.5. If I were you, I'll choose over 1.5. So that's a straight wheels compact answer. So you all know what to use, over 1.5. Anyway, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And to make the long story short, to cut it off, please make sure you follow what I just said and include it in your betting slip, and you won't or you will never regret about what we just chose. Please, please, please share our link with others so that they can win just like you're going to win. This is 100% bet. Make sure you do that. And it's very easy peasy squeezy lemon. Have a nice. Like I said, this is our next ticket of the same games but a different platform. Over 1.5 Verona or Empoli, Torino Udinese over 1.5, Royal Vallecano versus Mallorca over 1.5, Real Sociedad B versus Girona over 1.5, Independent Rivadavia Alimarante Brown over 1.5. We have CRB Vitoria over 1.5. We have Leviskia Sofia versus Botev Verasta over 1.5. Sondra Jace versus A and B over 1.5. Lemia Panathinaikos over 1.5. Ajax Reserves versus Roda GC over 2.5. That's the only game I've put over 2.5. As you can see, the odds is 130. Edge Reserves versus FC Emmen over 1.5. We have FC Urech Reserves versus Voldem over 2.5. Also that I considered it over 2.5. We have PSV Reserves versus NAC over 1.5. IFK Nakoping Jagaden over 1.5. Orebo SK versus Kalma FF over 1.5. Old Stands FK versus Majoblay Ave over 1.5. As you can see, my return is that. So I urge you to play these over 1.5 game, and you will thank me after. As you can see, yes, the same games but different shapes and method of betting. So stay tuned with Mirable Bets. This is easy peasy work. Easy peasy squeezy lemon. Just do whatever I said, apply, and make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on, like, share, and share with your friend mostly. I'll be thankful.